Welcome to today's tutorial on how to view transferred files in Discord chat on your PC, especially after the exciting new update. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the Discord app on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure it's updated to the latest version to access all the new features. Once you have the app open, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for your media files. Whether it's a private message or a channel in a server, just go to the appropriate spot. Now, look up at the top right corner of the page and you'll see the search bar. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to initiate a search. In the search bar, type "has file" and hit enter. This simple command will filter your messages and show you all the files that have been shared in that particular chat or server. It's a quick way to locate images, documents, and any other file types shared with you. Once the search results load, you can easily browse through your files. Whether you're looking for a recent image, a document shared during a discussion, or anything else, this method makes it convenient to find what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly through your chat history. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently view transferred files in your Discord chats. So, go ahead, give it a try, and make the most of your Discord experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.